guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing like this really nice, this is giving me like fairy vibes, like black fairy vibes. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing, and let's get right into this tutorial. I haven't even planned an eye look. I wasn't really gonna do an eye look. I was just gonna get ready and then film it. But I haven't done like an eye look in a long time, so I figured like why not, you know? When in Rome, do what the Spanish do. I'm gonna use Tempera, and this color right here.
My touch, my touch, my touch.
And then I'm gonna go into this dusty rose. This is a very nice, soft, like mauve color. But it's this color right here, and it's called Dusty Rose. And I'm gonna add that to the transition color. And I'm really nervous because I don't know how this is gonna, you know, really play out. But hopefully it looks good, because if it doesn't, then it's Mark's fault. I'm actually really excited to go shopping. I have so many different videos and cool ideas that I have for the Taylor Tribe. Oh, speaking of the Taylor Tribe, so I created a t-shirt for you guys. I know, I'm so generous, thank you. And I did so because honestly, I really feel like you guys are really supportive with everything that I do, and you guys are just really, like, all you guys are sweethearts. You guys are just very, very sweet, and I really wanted to include you guys in what I'm doing. But I wanted you guys to pick which t-shirt design that you like. So I created 3 different designs, which I'll show you right now. And you guys can click up here to vote which one that you like. Whichever one gets the most votes is the design that I'll go with. But I'm really excited to see what you guys think. I really hope that this eyeshadow look comes out like super pretty, because if it doesn't, I kind of want to put like a darker purple. Let's see if we can do that. I'm gonna go in to my Carity palette, and I love this palette. Like, look at that. It has like such smoky dark colors, and then like really bright neon colors. I love Carity because all of their products are super affordable and they're so pigmented. They're like really good quality. I do have a coupon code for Carity. It's Robin10. I've been obsessed with, this is the only brush that I would use for my eyeshadows, especially if I want to blend it really nice. It's the Carity E31 brush, and it's $5. If you use my coupon code, you get it for even cheaper. I think I want to go for this burlesque color right here. Get in there. Yeah. You guys, I've been running every day apart from today. I've been running every day because your girl really is like really trying to lose weight. Can you guys see it in my face? Probably not, but you know, just size me up in the comments down below. Like, even if you just say like, girl, you lost like 10 pounds. Like, keep me motivated, guys, please. Super pigmented. Oh my gosh, pigment. I did this one like makeup look that was so pretty, and I didn't film it. It was like really nice and purplish. It was really pretty. I'm gonna go back into the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm probably gonna use this rose pink and this shimmery shade. It's really pretty. And if you guys want me to succeed, like, fucking share my videos. You keep saying I have a good personality. Show your auntie, show your mom, show your cousin, show your dad who turned into a mom. Show anybody. I love doing cut creases, but sometimes they just too cut crease, you know? I'm also gonna add Sultry. It's S-U-L-T-R-Y. Sultry. And it's like a more of a bronzy shit, you know? Who knows what I'm doing? I don't even know what I'm doing. And if you still think this is a tutorial, then you're sadly mistaken. This is probably like, watch me attempt to do this shit. If I do it right, then I'll name it a tutorial. This bitch always calling me when I'm doing a video. Hey sis, I totally wasn't just complaining that you were calling me.
Oh, okay, good. That's fine. But you still have those 2 braids in your hair that you need to take out. But your face looks a lot better. Bye.
Bye. Now I'm gonna use the only black eyeliner I have, which is this e.l.f. eyeliner, and it's in jet black. And I'm gonna line my lid. Well, yeah, line my lid to the best of my ability. Guys, my birthday's next week, Thursday. Let me know if you guys want me to vlog my birthday. Shit, this thing went in my eye. Oh well, it kind of gave me like a nice waterline black mascara thing. My mom says, why do you always put fake lashes on? Your eyelashes are so beautiful. And that's how I knew my mom was a liar. One day, I'm gonna be so rich, I'm gonna get a 2-bedroom apartment in Glen Burnie. I'm gonna contour with this concealer and the KKW concealer. And then I'm also going to contour my face with the Espresso Matchstick from Fenty.
Not knowing my soul, and they were your comfort, but I made my effort. If you're gone, how would you know? The world was ours, you had the power. Take that away. Talked in the shower, you said you'll never just walk away. You still have control of me. You still have a hold on me. I hate you. I wish I never met you. I see your future's bright. Why do I take the time? Congrats on your new life. All I got was negative, ain't a coincidence. You got what's half of mine. The world was ours, you had the power. Take that away. Talked in the shower, you said you'll never just walk away. I hate you.
But this is the final look. Shit. This is the final look, you guys. I really am into the whole like exaggerated blush thing. Dark skin girls, like I'm like pretty dark. I don't know if this lighting is really bright, but I am really chocolate, proud to be super chocolate, and I love wearing like a very deep blush. It looks really cute. Oh my gosh, I like this look. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. I use the Wet Cherry Naked lip gloss, and that's what I have in the center. I love, love, love it. It's so cute, and this is usually like my go-to lip. I really like this combination. It looks really nice on my skin tone. That's why I really like it, and it kind of goes well with like every eye look that I do, to be honest. You guys, we are so close to the giveaway. If you haven't entered the giveaway already, you guys, I'm gonna link it up here for you guys to check that video out. But I really like this look. It's honestly, I didn't expect it to look this good. I kind of just went along with it. You guys, like, just start playing with eyeshadows and see what you can create. I do more of like red colors, or in the like the warmer color family. I probably should do something in the cooler tone, so I probably would. But I really like this look, you guys. I like even the hair, like the messy vibes. It's kind of cute. Or whatever. I look like a lost princess, but a black version or something like that. Also, don't forget to choose which design you guys want for the t-shirts. I'm so excited to hear what you guys have to say. But thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.